I'm Ryan Brady with Aspen Roofing, based out of Salt Lake City, Utah. Today we're going to talk about how to clean gutters on a steep slope roof. This is what is called a ladder stabilizer. It's also an offset. You simply take the offset and place it on the rungs of the ladder, pressing it, snapping it down, make sure that it locks into place. Walk your ladder up. Take it, place it so that the offset goes to the roof, keeping the ladder off the gutters, making it easy to clean them and not damaging your gutters. These can be picked up at any local supply yards, as well as your Home Depots. Once this is set up, you can simply climb up the ladder, keeping the ladder free of the gutter, making it easy to access it and be far enough away so that it also makes the ladder much more stable. Now we're going to talk about how to actually clean the gutter once the ladder jack's set up. Simply use a gutter scoop. Also, you can pick one of these up at your local hardware store, and then a garbage bag to put the debris in. Get your garbage bag nice and open. Just take a ladder, make sure it's secure, climb up it, take the gutter scoop, start at one end, work your way towards it, into the garbage bag. Again, every gutter will have individual gutter spikes or straps. Just slowly push the debris underneath it, work to the other side, pull it up again. If you bag your debris, it's a lot easier for your cleanup. Your gutters need to be cleaned every spring and fall to ensure that they flow properly, don't back up, causing roof leaks and other issues that will cost you money down in the long run. So you want to make sure the gutters are perfectly clean when you're done. Once you're done with that area, simply move your ladder down. Climb up again, and start from where you left off. Scoop, clean, into the bag. Again, my name is Ryan Brady with Aspen Roofing, letting you know how to clean a gutter on a steep slope application. Your ladder stabilizer, gutter scoop, and a garbage bag is all you need.